Sorry, we found this in a garage. This hasn't been started in 4 years.
See if this thing has any life in it.
If this doesn't start, I spent $2,500 on an engine that's basically just...
We wasted all that money putting that engine in.
Did the power just go out?
All right, so we got to put this battery in.
Yep. Is it recording?
Yeah, it has
Okay,
been
cool.
this whole time.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What are we doing today?
So we took the battery down and got it charged at local auto parts shop or whatever. They tested it, charged it, said the battery was still good. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And it was able to get fully charged. So now it's charged and ready to put back in the Ranger and see if this thing has any life in it. So I guess that's first step, is get the battery in there and then we'll go from there.
So,
You want to set it up in there?
set it up in there.
We'll set that thing up in there.
Oh, gosh.
Oops,
Oh, sorry.
Yep, you're good.
Do we need to clean these? Or are they clean?
They're not too bad.
Yeah. Done. Video over.
All right. Yeah, thanks for watching.
This hasn't been started in 4 years.
Come on, baby. Oh, it's so close. Let's go!
You haven't seen this running.
Never. I've only ever seen it covered in cobwebs and dust and stuff. You know? This is amazing. It's running. I love it. And I was just looking. No lights on the dashboard. No engine lights. No nothing, man. It's just ready to roll. You got to at least take it around the block. The tires are all dry rotted, but we should at least take it around the block, right?
Okay.
Let's do it.
The tires feel like the flattest ever.
Oh my God. Well, they're definitely not at spec, I will say that much. But yeah, this one's actually probably the worst of the four.
Yeah, I can hear that one.
Yep.
Okay, so what's our plan?
Well, do you have an air compressor? Like to fill up tires? All right, what are we supposed to inflate these things to? 30 PSI.
Luckily, you're prepared.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Power this thing on real quick. This is probably like 3 PSI in this tire. Oh, 13. More than I thought. All right, so we're gonna go to 30 based on the card on the door. There we go.
What number are we on?
Man, it's taking forever for some reason. I wonder if it's like leaking air too somewhere. It's only up to 19. Just want to make sure everything's working. I'm gonna check all the lights, make sure they're all coming on.
Do you think it's smart to go try to take it to get washed?
I mean, I think if we can get enough air in the tires, I mean, well, if we could do that, I mean, even if it's not too terribly far away. That's up to you. We got to clear out the bed, obviously.
Yeah.
Looks like something happened here, huh?
Yeah.
Some touch-up paint. 2005, I mean, it's in good shape, man.
Yeah.
It really is. It's an 05, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's in good shape. Oh my God. We're at 30 there. See, I don't think we're gonna have enough battery in this thing to do them all, but this one was the lowest by far.
Yeah.
This one's at 16.
Yeah, so because I don't have an air compressor and you have a portable one on a battery, we're losing battery.
Yeah.
We're just trying to...
This one's at 15. Ooh. Maybe just get it up to maybe 20. Just to, enough to, so it's not basically flat. This one looks pretty flat. Oh yeah, it's at 13 also. Which, by the way, Fantic?
Sponsor us?
I mean, seriously. These things are great.
So it did die. What did we get to?
I think it was at 23 when this one died. So the front two got to 30. That one I got to 23, but before I went and filled the other ones up, and then it just kept going. So we did that one all the way to 30, and then these two are both at 23. But they were all in the low teens when we started. Yeah. So I mean, that was a lot.
So we'll charge it for a second.
Yeah.
Clean out the back. Maybe go get a car wash.
Yeah, I say we wash it, man. Get all this dust off, and then we'll see what we're working with.
Dang, it's tight in here. What do you think?
Yeah, man.
I think I'm. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it kind of seems like it runs great. No, it doesn't. It feels great.
I was a little worried with it just sitting for like
Well,
3-4 years and not being
Yeah,
started.
I was too. How do the brakes feel?
They feel pretty good. Everything feels fine.
Really?
But it's a little wobbly with the tires.
Yeah.
But everything feels great. But yeah, I was like, in my head, I was like, gosh, if this doesn't start, I spent $2,500 on an engine that's basically just...
Yes. Yes. That would not be good.
But no.
We're rocking, man.
Yeah. It says 150... We just hit 155, 360 miles. So I think, he put in... I mean, I don't know how they do that. But he put in a used engine. So I think he put in one that had like 150,000 miles on it. And then just changed this?
I don't know.
Is that how they do that?
I don't know. I feel like it's like a situation where you can't change the odometer, so you don't really know how many miles are on it for sure once you do an engine swap. But
You can't change it digital?
I don't know. Maybe there's a way.
I mean, I can't imagine the other engine blew at 150,000 miles.
Yeah, I doubt it. Well, it's possible. You never know.
And you only got 150,000 miles on a car that's 20 years old, 15 years old when it went in the shop.
Not true.
I
Yeah,
mean,
hard to say.
my Nissan is my Xterra is a 2013, and I've got 270,000 miles on it.
Yes, but you also drive to the northeast like every 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I guess now is when we find out if it has any water leaks.
Yeah.
Is there any in this town?
What's up, guys?
What's up? Sorry, we found this in a garage.
Oh, the camera.
Say what?
What about the camera?
We're filming this because we found this truck.
Oh, okay.
Yes. All those brushes on that paint job.
We pull out of the car wash and it's just prime. It's just like a bare metal. Uh-oh. Did the power just go out?
Yeah.
Hey, we're back.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck, man? This is not where you want to be stuck without power. Yeah, that'll work.
Wow. It's like a whole different truck.
Seriously, man. Cleans it up nicely. Look at that, man. It looks great. I wasn't even 100% sure it was black.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, that looks good, man. It's kind of coming apart over here. Oh, this one is a little bit. This one's definitely better. This is just dry rotted,
yeah.
the rubber, but the other side's kind of cracking and peeling a good bit worse
Yeah.
than this one, but not too bad. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but yeah, so the handle's broken on the outside here, so there's not really any way to grab this to open it, so you have to kind of reach into the inside here and squeeze this in to release it and pop it open. So need to either get a handle, if possible, or, but it also has the tailgate has damage, and you can tell it was, it had some touch-up paint a little bit at one point. So maybe even a whole new tailgate eventually, but
Yeah.
which, I mean, they've got to just be infinitely available, I would think. So wonder what this was.
Maybe a trailer, or I don't know.
Yeah, trailer harness, maybe, I don't know. Good question.
Yeah, but
Cool.
now we need to solve the problem of the not killing the battery.
Yeah. So if it's the radio, which it didn't even look like, I don't even know if the radio had, did you pop the fuse on that
I don't
at some point?
know.
Oh, it is on. Yep. Never mind. Yeah, so I guess it may be worth, kind of trying to pop this out and see if we can see what's causing that. Because obviously if we just let it sit here, for another, few days or week or whatever without running, this is just going to drain the battery back down. So we either need to pop the fuse for now to at least disconnect the radio so that it won't do that, or unless you want to dig in and, kind of figure it out. But one way or another, we need to cut the power to the radio so we don't kill the battery.
I mean, it's about to go sit in a shop.
Yeah. So maybe just pop the fuse?
Yeah. Or,
Okay.
Yeah, kill the radio.
Yep. Okay. Sounds good. So it looks like.
Nope.
Yes.
Yep.
Success.
Sweet.
All right. So that I say we leave out,
Yeah.
and I'll just put it in here. Is that cool?
Yep.
Okay. we'll just leave it in there for now, and then at least now we know the radio won't kill the battery. All right, so initial impressions of the 2005 all-new Ford Ranger Edge. Heck yeah, man, this is great. I can't believe it, man. It just runs great, man.
We fixed the radio.
Yeah, so radio obviously is no longer on, which is good. So in theory, the battery won't drain anymore, which is good. And so it should be able to sit now without worrying about the battery draining. But yeah, battery's in, runs great, got it washed, cleaned it all up, pumped up the tires. And so at this point now, it's just kind of a matter of figuring out kind of some of the initial maintenance stuff that needs to be done. I mean, it's got 4-year-old gas in it, so we probably need to get that out and get some fresh gas in, oil change, tune up, all of those things, and just kind of freshen everything up. But otherwise, right now at least, it's in good shape and running surprisingly well for sitting in a garage for so many years.
I did not expect it to run. I figured that we wasted all that money putting that engine in however many years ago and just letting it sit.
Yep.
And I was like, that's gonna suck when they figure that out.
Yep. Yep.
I'm really happy. That's why I was like so excited seeing it pull in the neighborhood.
Exactly. Yeah. It runs great, and
Yeah.
there's no errors on the dash. There's nothing on the no
Yeah.
check engine lights, no nothing.
That's wild.
It's just like nothing ever happened.
That's really wild.
Yep. Yep.
What awesome.
Yep. Very good.